Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Bip Bop Arcade Challenge Conversational AI Agents last lab, that is create Conversational AI Agents with Dialogflow CX, which is our challenge lab. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous lab. Previous जितनी भी lab है मैंने सारी lab का solution अपने channel पे upload कर दिया है. That you can access by simply clicking on the I button on the top right corner. जैसे ही ऊपर आप I button पे click करेंगे आपको previous सारी lab का solution access हो जाएगा. Okay, तो कोई भी lab रह गई हो तो जल्दी से complete कर लें क्योंकि ये event 8 मार्च को शाम को 8 बजे खत्म होने वाला है. ठीक है, तो now without wasting time, start this lab. Wait for the page to load it. Once the page get loaded, simply click on the Start Lab button and wait for the credentials. We need the credentials to log in into a Google Cloud console. Now right click on Open Google Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode. Otherwise, you will face certain issues. अगर आपने इसे incognito mode में open नहीं किया तो परेशानी आएगी. Now the email ID will be automatically pasted up. Simply click on the next button. You need the password, so simply come back to the lab for the password. Copy this password. Come back to here. Paste the password here. Click on the next button. Wait for the page to be loaded. Click on the I understand button. It's simply a welcome message. Welcome message से I understand पे click करके accept करना है. After that, a pop-up will arise of terms and conditions that we need to accept. So wait for it. It's the pop-up. इसे हमें accept करना है. Click on this and click on agree and continue. Now come back to the lab. Scroll down to the task 1. Right click on Dialogflow CX. It's an embedded link. एक link है एक तरीके का. तो हमें private window में से open करना है. Open it in private window or incognito mode. Once the page get loaded, we need to select our project ID. So simply select your project ID. Wait for this page to be automatically loaded up. Click on the Enable API button. Click on the Cancel. Again, click on the Enable API button. Wait for it to get load. Now click on the Dialogflow CX button. जैसे ये कर्सर रोल होना बंद हो जाए तो हम Dialogflow CX बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड वी विल अगेन रिडायरेक्टेड टू द प्रीवियस पेज. जैसा पहले हमने किया था, हमें अपनी प्रोजेक्ट आईडी फिर से सिलेक्ट करनी होगी. सो सिलेक्ट योर प्रोजेक्ट आईडी वंस अगेन. सिलेक्टेड. Now we will redirect it automatically to the next page. अपने आप एक next page open होगा. From here we need to create an agent. So simply click on this. Now we need the agent name. So the agent name is this one. Copy it very carefully. बहुत ध्यान से इसे copy करेंगे. Don't copy any extra spacing or full stop. कोई भी extra spacing या full stop नहीं होना चाहिए. Paste करते वक्त भी ध्यान रखें कोई extra spacing ना हो, ना ही starting में ना ही ending में. Now from the region or the location, select global. Click on the create button and wait for it to get created. Now you will see a message like this: agent created successfully. So simply come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get a green tick in the task 1 first part. Now you will need to copy this URL. Copy this URL. Simply come back to the lab, click on this agents, and from here click on the view all agents. We need to restore our agent. So wait for the page to load it up. Now click on this 3 dot icon. Click on the restore button. We need to restore using the URL. So paste the URL that we copied. Click on the restore button. Now wait for the agent to get restored. So once our agent gets restored, simply come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress, and you will get the green tick in this task also. Wait for it to get created. Don't worry if it throw any error, come back to it, click on the agent setting. हमने एक छोटा सा step miss कर दिया है. We need to change the agent settings. Simply click on this agent setting. पहले पेज को लोड होने दीजिए, थोड़ा सा हैवी पेज है, ठीक से लोड होने दीजिए, थोड़ा सा लेटेंसी दे रहा है. So once the page gets successfully loaded, simply enable this option, enable cloud logging. Click on the save button. We need to save it. Now come back to the lab, click on the check my progress for this task. Come back to the lab, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick. पहली बार में हो सकता है green tick ना मिले, 2 से 3 बार ट्राई करेंगे, green tick surely मिल जाएगा. Don't worry, click on the check my progress once again and you will get the green tick. 1 से 2 बार ट्राई कीजिएगा, आपको check my progress definitely green tick मिल जाएगा. Now scroll down. Now you need a special file, a blob file that is given in the description box. Description box से वो फाइल आपको डाउनलोड करनी है. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. डाउनलोड करने के बाद आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली close this agent settings and click on this agent button. Now from here, click on the view all agents. We need to select the agent to restore. So click on this icon, click on the restore button, and this time we need to upload that file which we downloaded from the description. So simply click on the upload button, click on the select file. जो हमने डाउनलोड की है उसको अपलोड करना होगा. ओके, नाउ लोकेट द फाइल वेयर एवर यू सेव. आपने जो फाइल जहाँ भी डाउनलोड करके सेव करी होगी वहाँ लोकेट करेंगे, उस फाइल को सिलेक्ट करेंगे एंड क्लिक ऑन द रिस्टोर बटन एंड वेट फॉर दिस फाइल टू गेट रिस्टोर्ड. Once the agent get created, simply we need to test the agent. So simply click on the test agent button, come back to the lab, scroll down, keep scrolling to the task number 4. Now copy this phrase very carefully. हम इसके लिए टेस्टिंग करनी है, ध्यान से कॉपी करेंगे, कोई एक्स्ट्रा फुल स्टॉप या स्पेसिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. Now paste the phrase that we copied under the talk to agent. यहाँ पर पेस्ट करेंगे, hit enter button to test the agent. Come back to the lab and copy the next phrase. Copy it very carefully, ध्यान से कॉपी करेंगे इसे. Copy it, come back to the lab. Here, paste it. click on this arrow button, or you can hit enter button. Now come back to the lab, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick in the task 4th also. You can see assessment is completed. Now in the task 5, we need to create a version. So simply copy this name very carefully, copy it, come back to here. You can cut this, simply click on this button. Now after that, click on the manage button here. Wait for this agent to get cut. Click on the manage button. Now from here, we need to select the version. So scroll down and select the versions. Now click on this default start flow. Now wait for this page to load. Now click on the create button. Under the display name, paste the name that we copied, and under the description, you can type anything. I am typing like the video. Okay, now click on the save button. Wait for this to get created. Now click on this authorization. Again, we need to click on the create button and paste the display name as the same जो भी हमने पहले copy किया था वही paste करेंगे. In the description, you can type anything. I am typing please subscribe. Now click on the save button. Wait for it to get created. Now again click on the authorization button and wait for it to get created. Status अभी not ready है. जैसे ही ready हो जाएगा उसके बाद हम आगे बढ़ेंगे तो wait करेंगे थोड़ी देर. Now once the status shows ready, simply cut it. Click on the environment button. We need to create an environment. Click on the create button. Now for the display name, come back to the lab and copy this table. Copy it very carefully. ध्यान से copy करेंगे. Come back to here. Paste it here in the display name. In the description, you can type anything. Once again, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe right now. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब करके रखें. Now under the default start flow, select your happy path only and same on the authorization. Click on the save button. Wait for it to get created. After that, we need to test our agent. Wait for it. Now click on the test agent button. From the environment, select the stable. Now we need to test the agent. So scroll up, click on this, or actually copy this phrase, copy it, come back to here, paste it here. Under the talk to agent, paste the phrase, click on this button, come back to here, copy the next phrase, environment, paste the phrase here, hit enter button. Now come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Wait for it. You can see assessment is completed. Now in the task 6 or in the last task, this is the last task. In this, we need to come back to the lab. So come back to Google Console and click on the integrations. Click on these integrations under the manage button. We can cut this agent. So cut it. Click on the manage button. We need to select a country code. Click on the create button, create new button. Under the country code, select this. Now click on the request button. You can choose any number you want. Under the display name, you can type anything. I am typing my channel name that is being notified. Please subscribe to it. Now click on the save button and wait for it to get created. Once it's get created, come back to the lab. Click on check my progress. You will get the green tick in this task also. And with this, our lab is get completed. Congratulations. Click on the end lab button. Click on the submit button. Give the star rating that you want to give. Click on the submit button. Come back to the main page to verify whether our lab is actually completed or not. जैसे कंप्लीट हो जाती है हमारी लैब, हमारे लैब के बगल में एक ग्रीन टिक आ जाता है, तब हमें पता चलता है कि लैब कंप्लीट हो गई है. तो स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे and open this. You will see a green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed our lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.